Oke, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, my friend, and also good morning, Miss Ina. So, in this moment, we want to presentation about financial statement of Calm Green Wolf and Country Club, who start the company in the field of services. So before we start our presentation, let us to introduce ourselves. My name is Muhammad Faraz bin Habibi and my friend.
My name is Iwan Bagus Biska Pameswara Sangan.
My name is Almirah Khairimansa. My name is Azahra Kanaya Putri.
And yeah, this is us from Group B. So let me start the presentation. Okay, now we talk about group study case. I would like to introduce what is Calm Green Wolf and Country Club companies. This company is an exclusive club located in the serene green area of Padalarang, offering breathtaking natural scenery and a lush golf course. As the fiscal years ends of October 31, 2024, the finance and accounting division of the club is preparing the annual financial report, covering various the key financial aspects of the club's operation from membership revenues to the management of facilities and services. And next, go ahead, Mark.
After understanding the background of the club, we begin the accounting process to record all financial activities for October. Next, first, we identified all business transactions such as revenues, expenses, and other financial events. And we recorded the general journal using the double entry method, where every debit has a matching ID. Next, we post the entries to the general ledger and organize them into the accounts. And this has helped us to track each account's balance clearly. Next, then we prepare the adjusted trial balance to make sure total debits and credits were equal. Next, however, before proceeding, we needed to make an off-period adjustment to reflect the true financial condition. Here are the key adjustments, like insurance use $300, supplies remaining $1,350, depreciation expense $330,000, October rent $1,600. Next, this adjustment ensured that revenues and expenses are properly recorded in the correct manner. After adjusting, we created the adjusted trial balance, which prepare us for the final step, producing the financial statement.
So now I will explain the income statement and the owner equity. Okay, from the income statement, the club earned $23,450 in revenue. but the total expense were $334,820 mostly from the depreciation. This caused a net loss of $311,370. In the statement of change in equity, we saw the owner put in $308,370 to support the business. Even with that, the equity still dropped because of the big loss and a $6,000 withdrawal. This shows the club is not profitable and depends a lot on the owner's money.
Okay, let's discuss cycle 4 in step 7 in financial statement. We have four other things to see. So after the income statement and owner's equity, we have the balance sheet. Balance sheet. So the balance sheet presents a snapshot of the company financial position. So like the data say that we have asset of $297,850 and liabilities of $3,420 and equity of $301,270. But remember, most of the asset value is affected by the $330,000 this depreciation. So although the number balance, the real asset value is already reduced. Next, and then we also have cash flow. So in cash flow, operating activity give a small gain in of $4,820, but most cash came from contribution. So even though the cash looks good, it's not from the profit, but it's from external support. Next. Next, we have worksheet. It's not input of 9-step accounting cycle, but it also important. So worksheet typically have several columns, including the account titles, trial balance, adjustment, adjusted trial balance, income statement, and balance sheet. Even though an accounting worksheet is not an official financial statement, it's very useful in the accounting process because it helps keep everything organized and easy to review.
Okay, thank you, Marsa. And we move to step 8. There is a journalize and posting closing entries. On the accounting system, the post-closing entries is so important too, because every accounting in this part is closing the entries. Okay, post-closing entries are journal entries recorded at the end of an accounting period to close all temporary accounts, such as revenues, expense, and drawings, and transfer their balances to the owner capital account. This process resets all temporary accounts to zero in preparation for the next account period, ensuring that each period reports only its own financial activity. The purpose of the closing entries is to ensure that the revenue and expenses accounts reflect activity only for the current period, e.g. October 2024, providing accurate and separate reporting system for each accounting system. Next. Okay, there is the journal, there is the closing journal. Post closing, there is a service revenue, income summary, and after that, in the total is balance. Okay, we move to step 9. Prepare the post-closing trial balance. It's the ending of the counting cycle. So let us go. Okay, in this bus closing trial balance, we have a cash, we have the supplies, equipment, report insurance, and the total is literally balanced too. But there is an material minus, right? Okay, we move to the conclusion of this presentation. The review of us, the financial of Calm Green Wolf and Country Club for the fiscal years ending October 31, 2024 shows a challenging situation due to high clauses and weak capital structure because there is minus before that. And although the club earned 23,450 in October, its expenses reached 334,820 dollars, mainly due to a 3,030 dollar depreciation. This led to a net loss of 3,311,100 dollars, reducing owner's equity to minus 287,000, worsened by a 6,000 withdrawal. The balance sheet shows 315,000 and 500 and assets with significant negative equity, raising concern for long-term financial health. Cash flow increased by 22,100 from operation and owner contribution. Website complete financial reporting. The club, this company must be addressed ongoing unprofitability through strategic improvement. And we have to finish the presentation. I want to say sorry if we have mistakes, if we have wrong in this presentation. Thank you. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.